and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you my most extravagant bag in my collection and also one of the most expensive bags that I own until now. So it's about the Chanel Timeless Jumbo bag in a bluish python leather. So this bag, guys, is so rare. I bought it, I think, in 2013 or 2014, so it's almost like so many years ago. I don't think you can find this bag today again. Also, I bought it in the reselling and it was quite expensive because I think at that time I paid about 9,000 euros, so it's a quite expensive bag. But it's so timeless and the color is so beautiful, and also it's in the python leather, which is so sensitive. You really have to take care of this leather because it can like damage so easily. You really have to take care of this, and it's best if you keep it in the bag always. So let's get started with the size. This is a big Chanel bag which has it is 30 centimeters long, 20 centimeters high, and from here to here you have around 5 centimeters, which, as I said, it's a quite big Chanel bag and you can fit everything in it. You can fit even, I think, a smaller iPad in it. Yeah. So this bag is so extravagant, and as you can see, the color is like a baby blue, and sometimes you can see like brownish accents, which gives a bag like a very exotic and like aggressive look. It's really special. Let's get started with the hardware, which you can see is a silver hardware. If you watched my other videos, you saw that I always loved the golden color, but this bag I could only find with the silver hardware, so I bought it with silver hardware, and I still think it's a classic and timeless bag, even though it's not with gold. But not everything has to be golden, so let's get here started with the silver hardware. You can see here the strap also goes on with the silver hardware, and the leather in the strap is also python leather, so it's almost just python leather. If you turn the bag around, you can see here it's also everywhere just python leather, and you have a compartment. I will just show it to you, which is very practical because you can easily pop in like everything, like small cards or even a small key if you are in a hurry. So I always use this compartment in here. It's really practical because you don't have to open the bag. If we are talking about opening the bag, so we can see here we have the typical Chanel CC closure, which you can easily open, and we are in the first compartment, which you can see is not python leather anymore. It's like just normal, I think it's lamb leather. And you can see you have here the first zip. You can open and just close it. And you have the classic flap, like double flap. You can easily open it. It has like the easiest closure in here. And you can see, I think, if I just like, you can see here the CC is stitched inside, just like at my other bag, which was my last video. Yeah, you can see here it's the Chanel logo, also in silver written, and the Made in France stamp is also there. On the inside you can see the biggest compartment, which is also the main compartment, which is so spacey, and also you have place for like some smaller things on the left and on the right in here. And you can also put a lipstick again in here, which we saw also at my last bag, which is really practical for us women. If you go further, you can see another compartment is here, which is made in half. Like here it's still the python leather, and if you go more down you can see it's again the lamb leather all around in here. So it's really beautiful, and you have so much space, you have so many compartments. So this bag is really an eye catcher, and really you don't see this bag so often in such a rare leather. You can just easily close the bag again with the typical closing, and here you have one of the rarest Chanel bags, which is also so expensive. I don't really know what this bag costs if you would buy it new, like also in 2014 when I wanted to buy it. I couldn't find it in the store, so I looked in the reselling. And today I never saw this bag again in the Chanel store, so I don't even know if they make those bags. I really don't know it. I really can't tell you. But what I can tell you is if you look in the reselling, you will sometimes find this bag also in other leathers, exotic leathers, and also in other colors. So ladies, a lot of you ask like how they can wear a Chanel bag the best. And for this bag I have two options. The first one would be the classic Chanel style, like on the shoulder. It looks so beautiful, and you can see the color is really beautiful. You can always wear it like this. You don't have to wear it in your hand, so you are like hands-free. It's really great. And the other option would be if you would wear it crossbody. That would look like this. Therefore, I think it's okay to wear it crossbody, but I think because it's like such an elegant bag, it has like exotic python leather, so you don't have to look so sporty with this bag. I would rather wear this bag on my shoulder, so it's like really elegant and really classy, and you can see like all the leather, so nice. I will just show it to you a little bit nearer. So ladies, this were like the two options how you can wear this bag. I think each option for it is like super nice. You can wear it like as you want, because with this bag you can make nothing wrong. It's like really elegant bag. So for me it was really much fun to do this video and to show you this exotic python leather timeless Chanel jumbo bag. And I would be really glad if you would like my video or comment it, and also if you would subscribe to my channel. It would make me so happy. Also, if someone knows how this bag was costing like years ago in the Chanel store, please write it in my comments. I would be really glad to know it.